everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope that you are doing great. Today's video is going to be all over the place. We are going to do a lot. I'm gonna clean, I'm gonna do laundry, I may take you out with me. The first thing on my list today is to put some dishes that I washed away and to do some breakfast. You know, right now it's summer vacation, everybody's home, so my days are always busy. You know, when the kids go to school, you don't even have to cook breakfast, lunch, and dinner, because even though sometimes I wake up in the morning to do something for them, at least they're not gonna be home until 4. So most of the time, I don't really cook a lot when the kids are at school. But right now it's summer vacation, so you know they're gonna be home. I have to do breakfast, I have to do lunch and dinner. Sometimes they eat something again at night. So my days are gonna be very busy. So let's start to work with me. After I finished to put away the dishes, I wiped down the counters, and then I decided to wash few dirty bowls that I had over there so I can get ready to make breakfast. This is something that I do every morning because I don't like to skip breakfast, especially when you have children. It's good to always cook something in the morning. And I have to say, in my house, I can't just do anything, because if I make something simple or tell them take some cereal, they will come back after half an hour to tell me that they're hungry. You know, it's like they didn't eat a thing. So it's better to just make a full breakfast, and I know that they will be able to wait for lunch. If you have children, please let me know in the comment section if it is like that by you as well. And also let me know, what do you do in the morning? What do you make for your children? Please share your ideas. I know that it will be for sure very helpful to everyone. Kiki, can you please put the bread in the toaster for me? Thank you so much, sweetheart. What is Randy doing?
I think he's getting ready for church.
Can you please put that back in the fridge for me? Thank you. 1 second. Thank you so much. Watermelon is our favorite fruit during the summer. So we all love watermelon. So that's why I decided to cut some watermelon. And right now I'm just going to make some eggs. And after that, the kids, they can serve themselves some milk or whatever they want to drink. You all know how hard I'm trying to keep my house neat. So this is the most important part that I wanted to show you. After I finish with breakfast, lunch, or dinner, I make them clean after themselves. Because remember, to keep the house clean, it's not the mom's job only, it's everybody's job. After we finished to eat breakfast, I had to run downstairs because we received a call from Accra telling us that our car is ready to be picked up. They were fixing it. Remember that? So the whole time I was driving a loaner and the car was dirty. So I didn't want to give back a dirty car. So first what I did, I stopped to a car wash just to give back a clean car because they gave it to us very, very clean and new. So I didn't want to give back a dirty car, and we stopped and we washed the car. That was the right thing to do. My plan for that day was really to clean upstairs. You don't see it yet, but upstairs is a huge mess. But because I received the call, I decided to stop everything that I was doing to go and pick up the car because I knew already that the next day I would not have time for that at all. So it was better for me to just do it when I had the time to do it. So yeah, we went to the place, we paid what we had to pay, and we signed what we had to sign, and we got our car back. And now, welcome to my messy reality. You see, I tried to keep downstairs as neat as possible, but upstairs was a real mess. Okay, you see how is my hallway? Unbelievable. I had to deal with that for days. I can't even say weeks. Because the thing is, I tried so many times to start to do the laundry. Every time I make a pile, I don't start to wash, and my kids they move away everything. Yes, my little ones, when I make the pile and I don't wash it, I will find the clothes everywhere in the hallway. I put the clothes on the floor because I thought that I was going to wash them. But it didn't happen because I was waiting for the perfect time to do laundry. And I never got that perfect time. Wait for it because you are going to see my dresser now. You see, my dresser is a stress by itself. I think it's the first time it became that bad since I did the bedroom makeover. It is right now about 5:30 p.m. Usually when I'm doing laundry, I don't start in the afternoon. But right now, because of everything that was going on by me, you know my story without the car, right? So the laundry piled up so bad. I'm telling you that right now. Every time something happened to me, the first thing that is going to be affected is my laundry because I hate to do laundry. Laundry is a real problem for me. It's so easy for the laundry to be out of control. I can't even explain it. So right now, I am going to start the laundry. You know, usually I start in the morning, but I was like, every time I said that I am going to start tomorrow morning and I don't have time. And the laundry keeps piling up more. I was like, I have to start this afternoon because if I'm gonna wait for when I have the whole day, I may never start to do laundry. Let me know if I'm the only one because when I'm reading my comments, I see that everybody loves to do laundry. Let me know if there's someone just like me because washing the clothes is nothing, you know. It's easy to just put everything in the washing machine, but I have to fold them and put them away. That's my problem. I just don't like to do laundry. Let me know if there's someone out there just like me because I can't. Today, I'm sharing with you a real afternoon when I'm working without motivation. To be honest with you, that day, I didn't want to do nothing. I was tired. I felt like it wasn't the right time to start to do laundry and to clean, but I pushed myself to start. This is what I said to myself. I said to myself that I am going to wash 2 loads of laundry and dry them, and I'm not going to fold. That may sound funny to you, but because I said that, I had the strength to start. I said, don't worry, I'm not gonna fold them, but I'm just gonna wash them so I can do that the next day. But while my washing machine and dryer are running, I am gonna try to pick up everything that I have on the floor and I'm not gonna mop. That was the deal that I had with myself. I'm sharing with you a real afternoon when I don't feel like doing nothing and I did something anyway. My body, my soul, and my spirit agreed, okay, we are going to tackle the mess while I'm washing the clothes. So I started with the hallway because the hallway was the headache for me. Oh my God, it was a stress. Every time I'm going upstairs, I'm like, The hallway is messy, but the problem is that I have to do the laundry and I'm not ready yet, you know? The laundry was the problem. So as you can see, I cleaned the hallway. I picked up everything that was on the floor and I swept the hallway. I didn't mop because that was the deal. And believe me, that was a quick job. What I would like for you to get from that part that I'm sharing with you is that sometimes you have to push yourself, okay? Know what you want and reach for it. It's okay to feel tired sometimes because we are indeed tired, right? We are really tired because we are doing a lot. And sometimes we may not have the motivation. To be honest with you, most of the time we don't have the motivation to clean. But when you feel like that, it's good to give yourself a little push so you can get up to start. Listen to something or to someone that can motivate you. You can watch a video. Search for the thing that can help you get up. You know why? Because life is like that. You have to make choices. You see, I know where I came from. I know how hard it was for me when my house was out of control, when the laundry was out of control. Remember the crib that I had in my room? This crib was full for months. I'm not even joking. If you didn't watch this video, please check it out. I had the crib for months and I could never empty out my laundry baskets. It took me a lot of strength and determination to clean my kitchen, to do the laundry, to finish with the laundry. So I choose to never go back to that. That's what I choose. I don't want to go back to that because I know how stressful it was. It was terrible. So that's why today I want to share that with you. It's important to know what you want. And it's important to push yourself a little bit to reach where you want to reach. If you can run there, run there. If you can't run, you feel like you can only walk, walk little by little, step by step. And if you feel like you can't walk yet, crawl there. But what I'm asking you, don't stay stuck. Because if you give up in your spirit, trust me, it's over. And that's gonna be your reality forever. But if you believe that little by little, you will get there. If you don't give up, if you're pushing yourself even a little bit, you will see the changes. That's what I wanted to share with you today. You see, in this video, I'm not doing nothing perfectly, trust me. I was in a race with the washing machine and the dryer. To do one load without pre-washing in a normal setting, it takes about 40 to 45 minutes to do one load. So I know that I wanted to do two loads, right? So I had about 90 minutes to do everything that I supposed to be doing, like clean the hallway, put these clothes away. I also had to serve dinner to my family and clean the kitchen after. So I really didn't have time and I was rushing. If you are looking at me closely, you will see that I'm just folding the clothes anyhow. That's how my husband fold clothes, by the way. I always tell him, what are you doing? You're not folding, you're just making little balls. So that's exactly what I was doing there. This is exactly what I call make myself feel better. That's my little words. I'm just making myself feel better. I'm not doing nothing perfectly, but I'm making myself feel better. And trust me, it's better to do that than letting everything be out of control. And yes, I was done. I did it. Right now, I am just going to put the second load into the washing machine. So first, I'm just gonna put everything into the dryer, and then I'm gonna put the second load. You see, now the bathroom looks a little better. I'm not done with the laundry, but after I washed 2 loads, you see it looks better already. Now that I got that done, I went downstairs and I heat up the food. I didn't record that part. And then this is something else that I wanted to show you. Now I make each person wash their own plates. Life is easier when everybody's doing something. They wash their plates and I also make them clean after themselves. It's easier like that. If you want some change in your kitchen, trust me, start to make everybody do something and you will see the huge difference. After my children wash their plates and put them away, dry them and put them away, they clean the counter, and I just have to wash my pots if I cook that day. If I didn't cook, life is easier. I just have to wash my plates as well. And that's it. Done deal. I just have to do a little inspection. And I make sure that everything is the way they're supposed to be. I do my part as well. And life is so much easier and the kitchen is so much cleaner. Right now I finished with the kitchen. I am going to go to the living room and do the exact same thing. I'm just gonna put away exactly what is not supposed to be there. This is what I'm talking about. This is exactly what I call make myself feel better. When I do it like that, I keep the mess under control. If I don't do that every day, I promise you, after 3 to 4 days, I am gonna be overwhelmed. To keep the mess under control, you don't have to do a perfect job, because if you are going to wait when you can do a perfect job to do it, you will take so long to find the time to do it, and everything is going to be out of control. You will not have the motivation to start. Right now, I'm just going to put the dried clothes in a hamper, and after that, I'm gonna take what I have in the washing machine and I'm gonna put them in the dryer. And guess what? I am done for today. I am not gonna do nothing else. I'm just gonna relax, take a bath, and go to bed. That's exactly what I'm gonna do right now. That was a realistic afternoon where I used about 1.5 hours to tackle the mess around the house. I really hope that you learned something from the video. I really hope so. And I really hope that if you needed some motivation, you found the motivation that you needed to start what you have to start. And I can't forget to say that if you are watching and you're not a subscriber, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications bell so you don't miss another video from me. And if you think that the video is going to be useful to someone, please don't forget to share the video. I will greatly appreciate your support. And as I always say it, don't forget to leave your comments, because you know your comment may be exactly what someone else needed. And when you share your comments, you are also sharing your own experiences, and that can be really useful to some people. I want to say thank you so much for watching. I cannot wait to see you in my next one. Bye.